you know where the cloth's at?
In there, right up against that left side. Like this second you walk in that door. Right there, right there. Grab something from there.
That's good, guys. Can we hurry up while it's hot?
The fuck? Who's holding that?
Please don't bust up on this. Aye.
Welcome back. All right, it's time to get the fenders done now. It's fender time. All right, that is one side done. It looks absolutely beautiful. And now it is time to do the right side. Let's do it. Time to reload. It is now time to wait for this thing to fully cure, right? So we have hood into fender, fender done. Hood into fender, fender done. And I know, you're gonna see this little line right here, that's all gonna get taken care of. All this still has to get sanded down. Along with this, there's a kink right in here from that stupid line on the hood. It wouldn't go away and there was no adjustment for it. What are you gonna do? So that's done. This fender's done, and you know what I did? You know what I did? Wait, is that resin on the... This is where I get mad at myself. This is where I get mad at myself. But you know what? It's my own fault. It's my own fault. Cover your tire. I did a cheap job. Ugh. I'm absolutely ecstatic right now. We have the bumper down here, the lips down here. That lip is going to be taken off. I'm going to be using that lip on this when this is done. Hood's up there. Other hood's up there. It's so nice. It is so nice. Now it's time to wait for this puppy to cure. I just had like 3 different things go wrong. Second coat is done. We got the whole front end now. Well, the whole front center section of the car is now done, along with a little bit of reinforcements on the side. Right over here, as you can see, it doesn't look perfect, and it's because it's not. My resin cured on me a little too quick while I was doing that. And this is what happens when your resin cures too quick. I was just checking to see how bad it was, and yeah, it's pretty bad. All those white bubbles are air bubbles that unfortunately did not get a chance to be released because the resin cured too quick. And then to make matters even worse, guess what just broke? Old Faithful. We're working with what we got here. We are looking at a 54 degrees, meaning this is going to take a while to fully cure. Because of the resin that I'm using is a slow cure resin, it's going to take even longer. And I use the slow cure for a time like this just because I want to make sure I have enough working time to be able to do such a giant piece. We'll see how it comes out.